Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some lashes. So we got a part 2 of the Kiss Lash Assortments. This is the collection Moonlight Kisses. So we are going to dive into the Moonlight Kisses lash assortment from Kiss Lash. I can't wait to try these all on because the first one, if you guys haven't seen, I already did a lash assortment last time and I wanted to pick up this one. I was like, wait, they got another one. I want to try it out. We're going to be talking about as well is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This is the clear one. So I'll be talking about this and using this in the video too. We're gonna see how this works. Before I get all the way into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that notification button while you are down there. So let's get into these lashes. All right, y'all. So the first pair out the bunch is called the Little Black Dress. I've heard of this lash. Let me break down the description of it. So just like the other one, these have a mink effect design. They're supposed to be knot-free lash band, weightless volume and curl, and soft and seamless. Multiple lengths, curls, and angles. Glam up your holiday season with this limited edition curation of dazzling faux mink styles. So the Little Black Dress is described to be, which is actually Allure's 2017 Best of Beauty Award. So 2017, these was the lashes, baby. They say they accentuate your eyes with a soft and ultra feminine flair. Well, guys, what I get from these lashes is actually, it is that. Actually, it is a very soft feminine flair to it. It's very pretty. It is, to me, the lash band, she's not seamless. No, she's plasticky. She's not seamless. But the curl on this lash is incredible. It's a baby small lash, but it's so soft and it's the hairs are very structured. They are curled. These do look like something of a natural lash. In a way, it does look like this could be your lashes. So the band is not free and like right in there. It's not that easy, but it is natural looking still. I give them that. And I can see how people wore these in 2017. I can see that. No shade. I wish that lash band was feminine and soft as well. That lash band is harsh. It's crazy. 2017, this is what we're rocking. Okay. Makes sense. Cute. It's cute. Not my favorite baby lash, but she's cute. She's cute. All right, guys, these are the style Belle. So with Belle, it is described as a naturally glammed cat eye look with its classy wispy volume. Okay. Cat eye, I mean, a little bit catty. Yeah, a little bit. Wispy volume, it's not volumized, but wispy, oh yes. And it is glam. So it is like a glam cat eye that is wispy. But the volume, not so much. I don't see so much volume. But it is cat eye, yes, and it does have that wispy, and it is more of a glam kind of look. These are cute. I'm gonna have to cut these. The other little black dress ones I don't have to cut at all. Like I said, they're not too wow. I have to admit, I do like the hairs. They're very soft. They do have a straightforward kind of curl a little bit, and they do get longer on the outside, so that's what creates that little cat eye, the little wispy cat eye on the side. These were fuller. Oh yes, if these were fuller, yes ma'am, I'd be like, ooh. If it was lighter in the front and then it flared out really fuller and it was like flared like that, like a little cat eye, oh, really pretty, really pretty. It does give you that length, but not volume per se. For these holiday collections, the lash bands are just, I'm just accepting the fact that they're just not it. Next we're gonna talk about is actually the lash glue. So with this lash glue, I got the clear one, guys, boom. I use it just on my bare eye pretty much, and I put my lashes on. Now these are staying, they are glued. Yeah, they stayed, that's cool. Only thing is, if you put this over makeup, you'll get this, guys. See, it'll stain it. And yes, this glue, oh, just do a little thin line. If you wear any dark color with this, it's gonna stain it and it's gonna smear it. So if you have like a perfect liner, you're gonna mix it. The glue's gonna mix it. So it's kind of like, I know glue can do that even on the lash band, but this you literally have to wipe it like a liner. You know what I mean? Like you gotta go over spots. That's the only thing I have a problem with this. But the other day when I tried it, the glue didn't want to stay, but today it's staying. So I'm not mad at that, but that's the only flaw I'm getting out of this lash glue. It's like, it's gonna smear your makeup, especially if it's very detailed on the line, like a straight up liner. It's gonna smear it up, especially if you got a crazy little design on there. So it's the only thing I got a problem with. But otherwise that's pretty good. And the lashes are okay. So this is the next pair, Holly. This is described to be a voluptuous, flared for a fabulous, sexy look lash. Voluptuous, flared, fabulous, and sexy and all that. Yeah, this is a cute little va va voom moment. This is really, oh, that's really good. I like how this is a traditional natural wispy looking lash. Let me see, the hairs are medium long. I like that. Have a little curl as well. Well, a lot of a curl, boing boing. Love that. They are like voluptuous. Yeah, they are. To cut this one, I think it's just this my shape over here. I have to cut this one a little bit, but it is pretty. Oh, this is pretty by itself. Ooh, okay. The more I look at this, the more I'm falling in love with it. Checking myself out. It's cute. Oh yeah, this is good. Lash band. I feel her, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Ooh, this lash is gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. I love it. This is the last pair. These are the Twinkles. They're described to be a distinct spiky pattern with a luxurious style and flair. I'll give them that. I had to look at it closer again. And then it says a luxurious style and flair. Moonlight Kisses, this flair, they're really good with flair. Both of the lashes that said flair, yes, they're correct. Now the other ones when they said volume, this volume, this is fullness, this is double stocked. I'm definitely gonna have to cut them. Let's just be real. A whole, gotta go. That extra flare, I have to cut it off, but it's pretty. Yep, it's nice and silky and soft. But this lash, baby, this thing is huge. I can feel it's heavy. And I can feel this lash band. But I have to admit, you do a really glam, smoky, like cut crease smoky eye with this. Woo! This would be it, baby. Because it has enough in the front to be piecey. Like the spikiness I see right here in the front, a lot more. But here in that back, that would be pretty against like dark brown or black. Ooh, that'd be pretty. But in here, like gold. Girl, ooh. Yeah, this one, the descriptions, it's like all of them were right except for like one. And it's like, it ain't that. But the other three you're correct. Or the other two you're correct about. But like I said, these are definitely, they do have that spikiness. Luxurious style, yes. And it does have that flare in the end. They're really good with that flare at the end. Really, really good with it. But they should have put fullness and volume. Twinkle, she got all the volume. And she's not, the name is so little compared to the lash. Twinkle seems like a soft little baby lash. This one seems like it would be like a little black dress. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys about the glue liner with Kiss, the little clear one. Literally, y'all, this lash glue dries down, I swear, like in 4 or 5 seconds. So you gotta move fast. This does dry down pretty fast for the most part. So I'm not mad about that. The only thing about that liner, like I said, I don't care for is literally it can smudge your makeup. Especially if you have a liner design on it. It's gonna mix colors. These are pretty cool though. Can't be mad at that. I don't have none like this. So welcome to the fam. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my lash try on today with Kiss Moonlight Kisses Lash Assortment. That was a mouthful. Kisses, kisses, and kissing. All these lashes were cute. I can see myself wearing a lot of these styles, but for the most part, they did have a lot of small to just big volume. So I'm like, compared to the other lash assortment I did, I think the other lash assortment had one lash, that Garland one. That one was so good. But these, I have to admit, my favorite out of it, it's gonna be, I like Holly. But the Twinkle one, I can't be too mad at it when I trim it down because I don't think I have a style like this. So to me, the lashes, they were pretty much all a hit. Even Little Black Dress, I've seen it before. I just never tried them because I felt like they're baby lash. But it actually is a very pretty curl on the eyes, and the lash band didn't hurt too much. I think this lash assortment compared to the Sparkle in the Night one, go check out that video, by the way, guys. That one, I think that one lash in there is so stable. It's like one of my favorite new lashes. This one does have more that I actually would wear. So I guess out of numbers wise, I believe Moonlight Kisses is gonna win out of the Sparkle in the Night other lash assortment because it's just, there's more that I actually legitly would wear. Like any day. You know, we're wearing more than one lash. You know what I mean? You're not put on the same lash. I don't think I can possibly do that. Y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed my lash haul today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And leave a comment below and tell me down there which one's your favorite lash out of this collection and which one is your favorite lash assortment. So let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.